So the thing that changed my picking game completely, 1 note per string drills. I used to force my picking so much I developed strain. Tension everywhere, nothing flowing. But 1 note per string arpeggios forced me to do a couple of things. 2 things I couldn't do on my own. First off, relax and cross strings constantly. This shape in particular is gorgeous. You can just move up and down on that all day and it sounds musical. Then drop down here. Now you've got 2 beautiful sounds back to back that are actually fun to practice. I wrote a full etude around these shapes. It's on my Patreon if you want to check it out. If you want something you can sink your teeth into, it's there. But even just these 2 shapes will transform your picking. They force you to cross strings, and when you alternate pick them, after 5 minutes, your hand is so warmed up that everything feels effortless. That's the goal. Make the hard stuff feel easy. Let me know what you want to see next. See you in the next one. Peace.